I'm going to show you how to create a buttonhole in the middle of a knitted row. I'm using Addy needles and Simply Natural yarn. I've already knit to the point where I'd like to create my buttonhole, so I'm just going to get started. First, I'm going to bring my working yarn from the back to the front of my work. Slip the next stitch. I'm going to return my working yarn from the front to the back. Slip another stitch. Now I'm going to pass my first slipped stitch over the second one, and I'm going to repeat the last two steps 2 more times. Slip, pass, slip, and pass. Now I'm going to bring this last stitch I still have on my right hand needle, put it back onto my left hand needle. I'm going to turn my work. I'm moving the yarn to the back of my work again, and from this point we're going to be casting on 4 stitches with the cable cast on. I'm going to insert my right hand needle in between both legs of the first stitch on my left hand needle. Yarn over, pull through, place on the needle, through, all right, there's my 4. So I'm going to bring my last stitch I just cast on back onto my right hand needle, because at this point I'm going to take my working yarn from the back of the work to the front, and I'm going to turn it again. Now you can move that stitch over. We're going to slip another stitch knitwise, then pass my last cast on stitch over that one. And there is a completed buttonhole.